Understanding Artificial Intelligence, AI, Types, Applications, and Significance. Welcome to AI Tech News Channel. Please like, share, and subscribe to get the latest AI information. In this video, we'll explore a comprehensive guide on artificial intelligence. This video will explore what AI is, its different types, applications across various industries, and its significance in today's world. 1. What is AI? AI is a branch of computer science that focuses on creating intelligent machines capable of performing tasks that typically require human intelligence. These tasks include understanding natural language, recognizing patterns, learning from experience, making decisions, and solving problems. 2. Types of AI. Narrow AI is designed for specific tasks within a limited domain, such as virtual personal assistants and recommendation systems. General AI aims to mimic human intelligence across different domains. Machine learning. Machine learning involves algorithms that enable computers to learn from data and make predictions or decisions. Deep learning. Deep learning uses neural networks with multiple layers to model and process complex data. 3. Applications of AI. Healthcare. AI is used for medical image analysis, disease diagnosis, drug discovery, and health monitoring. Finance. AI powers fraud detection, algorithmic trading, credit scoring, and customer service. Automotive. AI drives innovations in autonomous vehicles, navigation systems, and driver assistance technologies. Retail. AI enhances inventory management, demand forecasting, personalized marketing, and customer service. Manufacturing. AI optimizes predictive maintenance, quality control, supply chain management, and process automation. Education. AI facilitates personalized learning experiences, adaptive tutoring systems, and automated grading. 4. Significance of AI. AI revolutionizes industries, improves efficiency, and enhances human capabilities. However, it raises ethical, social, and economic considerations such as job displacement, algorithmic bias, privacy, and security. In conclusion, in the ever-evolving landscape of technology, artificial intelligence stands as a beacon of innovation, promising to reshape industries, augment human capabilities, and redefine the way we interact with machines. Through our exploration, we've delved into the essence of AI, understanding its various forms, from narrow AI tailored for specific tasks to the elusive vision of general AI mirroring human intellect across domains. AI represents a transformative technology with vast potential. As we continue to develop and deploy AI, it's essential to consider its ethical implications and ensure responsible usage for the betterment of society.